Travelers, get ready to samba your way into the heart of Brazil. Welcome to Salvador, where every beat tells a story and every flavor dances on your palate. Dive deep into a city that's as rhythmic as it is radiant. Did you know Salvador was Brazil's first capital? And its beats, oh, they gave birth to samba. But that's not all. Watch till the end for a tantalizing taste of Acarajé, a spicy shrimp-filled sensation that's pure Salvador. From the cobblestone charm of Pelourinho to the sun-soaked shores stretching over 50 kilometers, Salvador is a mosaic of memories waiting to be made. Learn a dance move or two, hop onto pristine islands, and let the city's vibrant nightlife sweep you off your feet. So, are you ready to embark on a journey where history, culture, and nature dance in harmony? Salvador is calling with its beats, beaches, and boundless joy. Dive in and let the carnival begin. Rhythm Central. Salvador isn't just Brazil's capital of happiness. It's a rhythmic paradise, birthplace of samba and other Afro-Brazilian music genres. The city's beats resonate deep within the soul. A culinary melting pot. Salvador's cuisine is a delightful fusion of African, Indigenous, and Portuguese flavors. Acarajé, a spicy shrimp-filled delight, is a street food you can't miss. Colonial charm. Did you know Salvador was Brazil's first capital? Its colonial architecture in the Pelourinho district is a testament to its rich history, earning it a UNESCO World Heritage status. Candomblé roots. Salvador is the heartland of Candomblé, an Afro-Brazilian religion. The vibrant rituals, dances, and ceremonies are deeply intertwined with the city's culture. Beach paradise. With 50 kilometers of coastline, Salvador boasts some of Brazil's most stunning beaches. From the calm waters of Porto da Barra to the wild waves of Stella Maris, there's a beach for every mood. Pelourinho. Step back in time in Salvador's historic center. Cobblestone streets, colorful colonial buildings, and lively street performances make it a sensory feast. Don't miss the São Francisco Church with its opulent gold interiors. Nightlife in Rio Vermelho. Rio Vermelho, the city's bohemian heart, comes alive at night. Dive into its vibrant bars, clubs, and music venues. And yes, indulge in the legendary Acarajé stands that dot the district. Savor Baian cuisine. Dive deep into dishes like Moqueca, a fish stew cooked in coconut milk, or vatapa, a rich shrimp and nut-based dish. Salvador's cuisine is a delightful journey of flavors and traditions. Island hopping. Just off Salvador's coast lie stunning islands. Morro de São Paulo is a car-free paradise with crystal-clear waters, while Itaparica boasts historical sites and lush forests. Dance workshops. Embrace the city's rhythm by joining the local dance workshop. Learn samba, foro, or even the martial art dance form of capoeira. It's not just a dance, it's the city's heartbeat. And there we have it, Salvador, a city that sings, dances, and celebrates life in all its vibrant hues. From its historic heart to its sun-kissed beaches, Salvador invites you to be a part of its grand carnival of life. So, when are you packing your bags? Remember, Salvador doesn't just await, it embraces. Until our next adventure, keep the rhythm alive and your spirits high.